The holy confluence of the sacred rivers Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati makes the soil here one of the most fertile in the world. In the 1960s, when India's development gathered pace and city construction boomed, many small landholders abandoned farming, attracted by the handsome profits offered by local brickmaking companies. Returns from selling the topsoil brought farmers up to 20 times the profit they reaped from farming. But by mid-1980s, the brick industry declined, and they left behind smokeless chimneys amidst 4,000 hectares of barren, unproductive lands where only wild grass grew. Amar Singh is one amongst thousands of farmers whose forefathers fell prey to the lure.
ये ज़मीनें हमारे पिताजी ने भट्टे में दे दी थी। पुराने लोग थे, पैसा मिला दे दिया भट्टे में। करीब 2 मीटर तक खुदाई हो गई, ज़मीनें खराब हो गई, मिट्टी बजाय पथरीली हो गई।
The water table fell as low as 40 meters. Lack of vegetation caused cyclones and dust storms in Allahabad, as the intense summer heat caused violent updrafts, sucking up winds blowing down the rivers. They damaged property and killed more than 380 people.
भट्टे में देने के बाद ये उपजाऊ नहीं रह गई।
The land became so unproductive that farmers left the area if they could, or lived in poverty if they couldn't.
आमदनी का कोई जरिया नहीं, खेती बाड़ी ही थी। घर की स्थिति भी गड़बड़ हो गई, परेशानियां बढ़ने लगी।
With no livelihood, no food, they were shattered. In the 1990s, the NGO Utthan realized that only a large-scale greening program can bring fertility back to the soil and revive the local economy. INBAR, or the International Network for Bamboo and Rattan, came in with technological and financial support, and bamboo became the choice.
The problem was that the soil was sandy, therefore only hardy species could survive in such area. Therefore we picked up bamboo because they add humus, they make the soil acidic, and finally they make it highly productive.
One significant aspect of soil and the beauty of it is it can be spoiled and also you can bring it back to life. And for that what you need is the right type of plantation. And that is where bamboo played a big role in this project.
Starting with the 106-hectare Kotwa Rahimabad watershed, a bamboo nursery was set up. 4 hardy species of bamboo were selected, and with mass propagation through innovative techniques, there was enough saplings to distribute to the villagers. But first, people had to be convinced about bamboo's resilience and its ability to mature quickly in poor and shallow soils. And because the residents had nothing to lose, the effort to encourage them was just as easy as planting bamboo.
बांस में खाद की उत्पत्ति ज़्यादा है ना, और चीज़ में तो हमेशा गोंडा बनाना रहता है। बांस की खेती में लगाया, मिट्टी छापा, गोंड के उसे खाद, पत्ती की खाद बनवा लिया, सिर्फ पानी अकेले लगाना रहता है बस।
Soon bamboo was planted on the bunds around the excavated lands to prevent erosion and provide shelter from wind. The leaf fall from the shoots speeded up the process of bringing back fertility to the soil. In a decade or so, almost like a miracle, the red earth turned green. The first glimpse could be seen in Utthan's nursery. Elsewhere, proud farmers like Farmood Ahmed can't stop praising the savior shoots.
थान ने जो बताया तो हमने बांस लगाया, जो बांस लगाया तो उससे कटाव रुका, कटाव भी रुका, फायदा हुआ, पैसा भी हमको मिला, फायदा हुआ ये बंजर जमीन में। हमको देख के दूसरे भी जागरूक हुए, लगाए, उससे फायदा हुआ।
Utthan's nursery provides people with saplings of many revenue-producing plants and trees. The surrounding areas are today full of jatropha, guava and papaya trees. Ram Singh's decade-long wait seems small when he shows you the green carpet of vegetables and income-generating trees.
उपजाऊ बनी, हम लोग उसमें धान लगाने लगे, अभी गेहूं भी बोने लगे, पेड़ भी लगाने लगे, अभी हरी सरसों भी लगाने लगे.
More than 600 farmers like Chokhilal are reaping good profits from the aloe vera they've planted amidst the bamboo shoots.
वहाँ लगाने के बाद हमको एलोवेरा मिला, इससे प्रॉफिट मिला हम लोग का नहीं, किसान का नहीं.
Working with 120 local NGOs, each year Utthan distributes 500,000 bamboo seedlings and millions more tree, shrub and herb seedlings. Over the years, Utthan has grown its work from a greening program to encompass more integrated community development. More than 40,000 students study in its technology institutes and schools.
In sustainability, we have to take care of the poverty alleviation program, the livelihood security program, and at the same time, making those people self-sufficient to take care of themselves.
Today, Utthan has expanded its work to 3 other states in northern India. After 10 years, it has rehabilitated over 85,000 hectares of land using bamboo as a pioneer crop.
A smile in the face of the people, what you can see is a witness to what bamboo has contributed to their lives.
फायदा है कि उसको बेच के लड़का बच्चे को पढ़ाते हैं.
हाँ, बात से खुशहाली में खुशहाली आई. जहाँ कुछ नहीं मिलता तो वहाँ मिल रहा है अच्छा खासा.
At the end of the day, bamboo played the greening role to perfection. While Amar Singh loves the sound of his tractor ploughing his fertile land that's risen like a phoenix from the ashes, there is still one thing that stands as a reminder.
ये भट्टे की अभी निशानी पड़ी हुई है, ये भट्टे की.